What role does automation play in your testing strategy, and how do you balance that with manual testing?
That's a great question, Gara. Automation plays a very, very significant role in improving efficiency, enabling faster feedback loops, and increasing the test coverage. Today, if you look at manual testing, one of the challenges that we run into is we do very limited runs of manual testing, which is not the case with automation. With automation, you can run testing across pipelines multiple times, even within a day. I think that's one.
Mhm.
We have a very robust mobile and web automation framework today. We also have a lot of backend automation coverage where we look at API endpoints that these services communicate to. So if an endpoint goes down and the service is unable to communicate, then that can potentially lead to a lot of L4, L5 incidents. So we are constantly looking at automation as a key lever to ensure we have sufficient coverage. We run several tests within a short span of time across several cities, right? So that gives you the scale that you're looking for. However, having said that, while you have a robust automation strategy, it's also equally important to balance it with manual testing, because with manual testing you have an edge where you sort of test for every edge case, you
Right.
sort of test for every negative scenario, you sort of test for every regional events, right? Whereas in automation testing, it's more broad and shallow,
Yes.
whereas manual testing solves for a lot of edge case scenarios. So I think having that right balance is extremely important. And then you look to continuously shift left on both, right? You get to a point where when a software mobile engineer is attempting to place a diff, right, you're immediately blocking the diff if that code diff is leading to any kind of conflict in the larger app, right? So I think that's where you got to find the right balance between the mobile test automation, the web test automation, the backend integration testing, and the manual testing.